Hello friends, I'm Lokesh, your mentor at mentorbuddy.com. We have a question based on time, speed and distance. I would say this question actually is a very simple mental ability question rather than specifically calling it a time, speed and distance question. Let us see what the question is. It says Alok walks to a viewpoint and returns to the starting point by his car and thus takes a total time of 6 hours 45 minutes. He would have gained 2 hours by driving both ways. How long would it take or would it have taken for him to walk both ways? So let us understand what the question is talking about. There is a starting point for Alok and there is a viewpoint. So let us assume this point as A and the viewpoint as B. Now what is happening in the first case, he walks to the viewpoint and returns to the starting point by car. That means he's going from A to B by walk, but he's coming back from B to A by car. And this total is 6 hours and 45 minutes. Now it says he would have gained 2 hours. Please understand, gain 2 hours is nothing but saving time. So he would have gained 2 hours by driving both ways. That means if he would have traveled by car both ways, that is from A to B he travels by car and then from B to back A he's traveling by car, he would have gained 2 hours. That means he would have taken 2 hours less than the initial time, that is 4 hours and 45 minutes. So the question is, how long would it take for him to walk both ways? So if he goes by walk and returns by walk, what is the time that he takes is the question. So see, there are three scenarios. First, when he goes by walk, returns by car. Second, when he goes both ways by car. And the third one, when he walks for both ways. So we can say that when he's walking and then coming back by car, he takes 6 hours 45 minutes. I can simply write it in minutes directly so that it becomes easier for us to calculate. So it becomes 206 fours are, sorry, 6 6 are 36 and this becomes 305 minutes. Similarly, this one becomes 4 6 are 24 and 285 minutes. So what we can get from this second case is that because he's going by car and coming back by car, he's taking 285 minutes. That means for one side of car journey, he would be taking 285 by 2 and that is equal to 142.5 minutes. So from one side journey, he is taking 142.5 minutes. Whereas in the first case, it is given that when he walks and then returns by car, it is 305 minutes. Now, out of this, we know that the time taken when he travels by car is 142.5. Therefore, by walk, it would be 305 minus 142.5. I think this would be not 305, this would be 405 because 6 6 are 36 and this is going to be 405, right? Correct. So this is 405. So now when we subtract this, that is 405 minus 142.5, it is going to give us 252.5. This is again minutes. So in one side of the walk, he takes 252.5 minutes. So in the third scenario, when he's going by walk for both the ways, it is going to be twice of W and therefore it will be 2 multiplied by 252.5, which is going to be 505 minutes. So now when we convert this in hours, it is going to be 505 upon 60, which is going to be 8 hours and 45 minutes. So therefore, when he goes by walk both ways, he will be taking 8 hours and 45 minutes, which is your option number 2. So this is how easily, based on simple addition subtraction, we can solve a question which virtually is a question of time, speed and distance. I hope everyone has understood the method. So this is how we can easily solve such a question. Thank you.